Hello, my name is Nathan with the Dent Trooper, and I have a dent on my truck. Just want to show you a little bit what it takes to remove a little dent. So I have a small dent right here on my truck, and it's very minor, has a little paint scratch in it. And right here I have set up a light that I use that helps me see the dent a little better. Now I'm going to go in, I already took the tail light apart. I'm going to stick my tool through here, and I'm going to slide it all the way behind the dent, and I use the light to help me see where my tool is at behind the dent. Right now, I can tell my tool is right there, right on the top of the dent. And now I'm just going to move it to the center of it and start pushing. A few more pushes. Move my head back and forth. And just like that, the dent's gone. If you want to take a look back, you can still see the scratch mark, and the dent is gone. So if you have a dent on your vehicle, contact us at tampabaydent.com or send me a picture of your dent to 727-400-0666.